Hello everyone, welcome to K4 Craft. Today we'll be learning some basic shapes. We'll be needing quilling pen, craft glue, circle sizer and some paper quilling strips. We'll start with quilling a coil. I'm holding the coil and I'm giving one pinch and two pinches on side of the one pinch, and then with equal distance I'm giving two more pinches. This will give us 5 sides we have pinched to give us a star shape. After which I am defining the shape of the star. You can always use the paper quilling pen and give it more shape. Now I am quilling a coil. I'm pinching one side and two more sides on the bottom, making it a triangle. Then I'll pinch two sides more in between the 2 points and then again define the top point. This will give us a pentagon. Now I'm quilling a coil. After which I'm holding the coil in between my thumb and my index finger, and I'm making sure the center of the coil is in the middle. And I'm slowly pressing it in a circular motion, which will create a oval shape. Now I'm quilling a coil. Again, I'm holding the coil in between my thumb and my index finger. This time I'm pulling the center of the coil on the bottom and giving a circular motion from my fingers on the top part of the coil. This will give us a X shape. Now I'm using a longer strip to quill. I'm pinching one side and opposite to that one more side. Now I'm diagonally pinching two more sides. Making it a rectangular. After which I'm pinching two more sides on the longer side of the rectangular, making a hexagon. You can always use the paper quilling pen to give it shape. Now I'm taking the bottom of my marker and winding my paper quilling strip around it. After I'm ready with my ring coil, I'm applying some glue inside and spreading it with my fingers. Now I'm taking a new paper quilling strip and quilling it, after which I'm placing it in the ring coil. Again, I'm taking the bottom of my marker and winding my paper quilling strip around it. After I'm done, I've applied some glue inside the ring coil. I'm taking a new strip and quilling and placing the quilling strip inside the quilling coil. Now I'm holding the center of the quilling coil, pulling it downward and pinching it on the opposite side. This will give us a teardrop shape. Now I'm quilling a coil. I'm slowly pinching it on one side and pinching one more side adjacent to the previous side. This will give us a half circle. These are some basic shapes. Thank you for watching.